Post-production is where it all comes together. All the blood, sweat, and tears that you put into production, all the preparation that you put into pre-production, it all comes together, or it doesn't come together here in post-production. Fortunately, you can, if it's not coming together, you can go out and get pickup shots, you can go get, footage, and oftentimes, here is where you'll cut a different movie than you shot or than you wrote. You write one movie, you shoot another, and you edit another movie. And they're all pretty different, but this is where you get to see all these elements come together, and whether or not they come together or not, and what you've got to do to make sure that they do come together so that your movie does work. It's the opportunity to show your movie to some people before you're finished editing, to get some feedback, and to really decide what you need to do to make this movie work. But here's where it all comes together and starts to work.
This time it's for real.